Blessed be everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a tarot card, but before we do that, I'm Sandra from mysterywitchschool.com, author of Crafting Your Wiccan Path and also the creator of the Confident Tarot Reader course. So if you do want to become a confident, intuitive tarot reader, have a look at that course. The link is in the description field below this video. It's not too late for you to join up, so at any time that you're watching this video, you can still join. It is actually an evergreen course, even though we are doing the lessons live over Zoom. I know that most of you probably won't be able to make it live over Zoom, so you'll still get the replays for all of the lessons. Today's tarot card is the Two of Wands, and this is from the Ellen Cannon Reads The Witch's Tarot. And it's a little different to your normal, most tarot cards. Most tarot decks will associate the swords with air and the wands with fire. In this deck, it's the reverse. So this is actually an air card in this particular deck. But what I like about this particular card is that it still has that energy of a little bit of that spark of fire to it. So the meaning of this card, and this could be a message for you today, is even if you feel stuck, even if you feel like you just don't know what decision to make or where to go about something, just put your ideas out there. Throw them out there. In this card here, the guy looks like he's juggling feathers with the wands there. So put those ideas, those feathers of ideas out there and allow them to just be out there in front of you, be out there in the world, putting them out energetically, putting the ideas out there, and see which ones then can evolve into a solution or evolve into something that you want. You may have lots of different ideas of how you could solve a situation. If you let your intellect get involved too early, it's going to cut a lot of them off before they've even had a chance to bud in some way. So if you can just allow your intuition to bring ideas out, no matter how ridiculous they might sound, just put them all out there. And then decide which ones might work and which ones might not work, and also which ones you want to work. Like some ideas may work, but they may not necessarily be what you want. Just allow yourself to put them out there. This card is all about putting those ideas out there and throwing it out into the world and seeing what is going to be a possibility and what isn't. Some of your ideas may work, some of them might not work. It's putting them out there and allowing them to swirl around in the vortex of magic and seeing what those ideas bring in to you. It does have a similar feel to the Two of Wands in the normal decks, what I call the normal decks, as in the more common decks, because you've got a little bit of that fiery daringness in there, or that courage in there of putting your ideas out there. But even with that air energy, if you've got a decision, don't sit in the stalemate. Just allow your ideas to come out and don't judge them too soon, because you don't want to cut them off too soon. Just put them out there and then allow them to be there and see where they want to go energetically. So if you like that reading, hit the like button, share it with your friends, the video with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel. And if you do want to become a confident tarot reader, it's all happening now. The Confident Tarot Reader course, the link is in the description field below this video. I will see you on the next video. Blessed be.